Hello guys, and welcome back to the video. My name is Matt55, and today we are playing another Xbox video, and it's called Valiant. Here is the Great War, and beside the guy, it's a man and his puppet. It's a long time since, well, not a long time, a few weeks since I've done the Xbox video. So, let's just get right into this and to play this. Yeah, this game looks good. August 1st, 1980. Well, we want to get right in. I use the dog. I don't know. This game is really awesome. You're the guy. Guys, yeah. There you can see. Whoa. Okay. What the hell was on top of? Oh yeah, guys, later I'm going boxing, so this recording. What? So I have to find in the oh. So what? Oh, I'm running now. Oh no, I missed. Headshot. What? Oh, that one. Yes! Guys, we actually did it. We actually did it. No, why no. Ah, um, hmm. Yeah? What? Hmm. Yeah, that will do it, won't it, guys? No. I will post this game also. I will post this game in So if I can just get loads of likes in this video, then I will make some more. Hopefully. I was there in Russia. Yay, actually, guys. Sorry. But that not But guys, this game is it's really fun.
Train people in Paris trying to reach his regiment at platform 20.
Yeah, fine. Why? Why are you not talking to me? Oh my god. What? What do you want? Hmm. Okay. Does the captain want to drink? Does the captain want to drink if I something? No. What do you want? Oh yeah. Yay! Now I can hopefully go. Yeah, I can. Wait. Hmm, um, um, dying. Hmm, okay. Hmm, okay. Hmm, you want music? I don't know where I can get music from. You want bloody music? If you do enjoy, please give a big fat thumbs up and 4-star one. That will be very appreciated. And sign up